my window.
Hello traders, Gary Wagner with the Gold Forecast here. Approximately 11:30 a.m. in Honolulu, Hawaii. It is the 14th day of April, Thursday, and this is the Daily Report. Gold is making a stab currently at the record top. We are currently trading up substantially at 1474.60. That is our bid. We are looking at a 60-minute Henkin chart in candlestick format. This is our record top right in here. This is our current print. And if you notice, I see a similarity. Yes, we are back to the record top right now in gold. As you recall, this market made a beautiful play for the upside here. As it came down, if you recall, on the night of the 12th, this is when I sent out this particular signal. This, on a 60-minute, when you convert it to a 240, is that three-river morning star pattern that I looked for. As you can see here is on the date. This is the 12th. So this is during the nighttime, and this is actually when we issued the signal itself. Now, we placed our stop at 1439.50. We'll talk about moving that up in the next couple of days. Of course, the market meandered for a little bit, came back down here, of course, and then it's been up and away. Of course, we have renewed inflationary concerns right now driving the market. We have crude oil prices, which are literally through the roof. And traders, again, we have a gold market that is absolutely on fire. Traders, we are looking, of course, at our classic candlestick chart with our Elliott wave and channel lines. We did have our Fibonacci retracements. However, now that we have correctly picked that bottom, I'm going to go ahead and remove these retracement areas. We really don't need them anymore, not at least for right now. We'll enter some more when that time becomes appropriate. But as you can see, I'm putting this up so we can really look at this count. Of course, wave 1, wave 2, and then in terms of our count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and as I said, we're beginning right now our fifth wave, and my sentiment is this. This fifth wave here should be equal to this wave 1. In other words, in terms of looking at each wave as a benchmark, realize that the interesting thing about Elliott wave is that each wave, whether it's a minor, an intermediate, a major, they are all part and parcel of that same pattern. In other words, it is a simplified pattern. Think of it as counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then move up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, then move up 100, 200, 300. In other words, you are always doing the same thing. It's the very same pattern, but it is moved up, let's call it 1 octave or to the power of 10th, any way that you want to look at it. Now, why am I spending time actually thinking of it? Well, you either are going to have a particular wave on wave 5 that is either 1, or if it's an extended wave, it can be as much as 1.61 times that. And so my sentiment right now, or my reason for doing this, is it's a simple exercise. And the exercise that I'm utilizing is we're going to just basically do a comparison. So what I've done is this is the length of that first subwave. And I'm simply going to take that and add that to the bottom here. And what we can do from there is base a basic projection based upon that. And lo and behold, it's going to take us to around 1510, 1508. That's not a new number, traders. Traders, if you recall, I have been looking for 1508 in gold for months now, ever since we've had some basic wave 1s that I could use as a calculation. Now, does that mean it's going to go there? Absolutely not. Nobody can tell the future. We do not know. But I can tell you this, that utilizing these techniques has given us some pretty effective results in the past. At least it warrants our attention in the future. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading, and we'll talk to you tomorrow for another daily report and the weekend review. Bye-bye.
look out my window, many sights to see. And when I look in my window,